Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Let's have a quick analysis on the SPY Dow Jones and some stocks that I see that they are going to reach our support that we have been discussed in our previous video so far. So today, as I can see, as I have told you already in my past videos, that the SPY is totally traveling on the resistance area, you all can see here, and it is making a proper higher highs and higher lows channel. And so as you all can see, this has been a major support that it has been respecting, but now it has broken the support. All right, but that's maybe just because of the news that we are seeing about the Chinese company, but that's it. It's not a big deal, and I don't think that is going to impact US stock. Actually, it might impact the Chinese stock that are based on the US company, but it's not going to really impact the US stocks. I mean, not a major impact that is we can see in the US stocks. So now we see that from here the market has started going down, and I have told that from here I'll be playing the credit spread for the weekly expiry, and it really paid me well. So from here we can really see the another support is $414, and the another one that will be $403. Now what we can really expect still, I mean, what we can really see from the market, if the market doesn't respect and then goes down. So as I am seeing so far that it has already been a major support, and it has already broken. So what we can expect, that if the market consolidate here, and I think that today it might consolidate, and then if it goes down, then we can really play another sell for our SPY, or we can buy put. But I don't think that is going to last long, because there is no major news as such, other than the Chinese news. But one more thing, that today is FOMC, so I'm expecting that the interest rate is going to impact, and I don't think that there is going to be any change in the interest rate. So market is totally going to bullish if the interest rate doesn't change, right? I mean, it may go down a bit, but then it will start going for a bullish trend. So the major as I have already given the major support zone, which is going to be $414, and just in case there could be another $422 support as well. As you all can see that it has broken the trend, and it has been this has been a major resistance, and when it broke the trend, it really respected this zone and went up, little pullback, and then gone up, and then going down. So can expect that it may comes down to this level, that will be for $422, and then consolidate a bit and then goes up, right? So that is going to be our support. The second major support is going to be $414, and I don't think it is going to fall that much around the $403, unless there is going to be another big news, right? So this is it for the SPY. All right, now let's have a quick analysis on the Dow Jones. Okay, so as you all can see, it has, as I have been telling you, that the market is totally struggling going up. All right, so from there, as we have seen the last video I have given, which was it was properly consolidating on this, and then it dropped down from that zone. So I see the market is making a range, and this is going to be our the last support zone that we can really expect from this Dow Jones and the market. And this is a minor support zone that we can really expect. So I think this is going to be a good buy. All right, from this. So this is not usually I'm expecting you all to buy, just in case that we see the market is going to go into the uptrend, then we can really expect that this is the other stock that is related to the Dow Jones that are going to go for a bullish signal again. All right, now moving ahead to the AMD. So AMD, as we can see, this is I still see, and I'll be going for a buy again when it reaches to $100 or something, because this has broken the major support resistance zone this year, and I still expect the $100 or so is going to be you know a great buy from this area. So this is going to be a major support zone, and I expect that it is going to go for a buy, right? So I am going to buy the AMD around this area, and can expect the 120 dollars or so to move around this area again. All right, so for AMD this is it for me. Now moving ahead with the Apple. So seeing the Apple, we see that it has been a major trend, and it was making higher highs and higher lows, and I have also told you all about this scenario that we can really expect to see a major resistance that will be hurdle for the Apple to go up. So as you all can see, this is the last support zone, and I don't think, because it has already created a big standard deviation, which creates like made the Apple stock to move upper ways kind of a bit difficult. So I expect that a little bit consolidation, and then it might goes down, but around 140 to $138, that will be my another feeling for buy on the Apple. All right, now um, well, let's have a look on the Uber. So seeing the Uber, as you all can see, that it has gone up really the in a better way as seeing the past datas. But as you all can see, this has been playing a major support zone that we have been seeing, because after breaking the resistance, of course we can really expect that Uber is going to come around and then retest, and then it might consolidate a bit again goes for the its another move. So I am going to go for a buy on Uber. So for me, Uber is going to be a great buy again from here. All right, now let's have a quick analysis on the Qualcomm. So as I have already told you that in our previous videos with the Qualcomm, that if the market doesn't respect this area, then we can see that Qualcomm is going to go down, and it has really acted based on our prediction, right? So again, I'm still expecting that it can really move up to $125 or so. So still, until or unless it comes down to 127.50 or $125, I am not going to touch or analyze anything, because it is in a downtrend already. All right, so now let's have a quick analysis on the Netflix. So seeing the Netflix, it has been moving uh, up, and then it started it has found a resistance at 610 or so. So I can expect that it's, to be honest, this is going to be a downtrend from this area, because seeing the market and the downtrend moment, the market is struggling already. So I am not expecting the Netflix to go more up from this. All right, so I can really expect that it might consolidate in here, uh, around $600 to $540 to $550. But I don't think that Netflix is going to go up now. All right, now the last stock that I'm going to analyze is a TSM. So with the TSM, as I have already told that this is at the major resistance, and I have been playing the credit spread on this. All right, and I still think that this is the minor support that we can that it cannot really maintain a lot. So even if it comes goes up, you can really go for another put buy or so, and we might to see we might see that TSM is going to touch 108 very soon. I mean within a coming week. All right, so this is it, guys. I hope you like videos, so please do like, share and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our videos in near future. All right, guys, thank you. See you in the next video.